Hey guys, today we have a Sanex 12-piece impact socket set, 1/4-inch drive, metric and standard. They have magnets inside of them. The part number is 1822. Been wanting one of those sets for a while. Let's see what's in there. Oh, it comes in a nice case. Nice plastic molded case. Pretty solid. All the sockets here. You got 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Oh, you see this one is metric metric set. You can see the magnets inside of them. They seem pretty nice. We're gonna give it a test. See how she goes. Go. We got the 10 mil we're gonna try. Yeah, stays in there pretty good. Yeah, there's good strain on it. It's gonna make life a little easier when you're in a tight spot that you can grab the bolt that you're removing. It doesn't fall and lose it. Yeah, we'll see how it's gonna go after a couple use, but yeah, Sanex impact sockets with magnets inside of them. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, thanks.